How effective is the combination of your main product and other texts? I believe that I developed a consistent house style throughout my 3 products. One of the reasons why I believe my style is consistent is the iconography and the use of colours on each of my pages. All my 3 products definitely show the genre that I'm working in is horror. This is through the use of colours that I used, which were black and red. These colours were definitely conventional, as a large majority of horror films that I've analysed use these choice of colours. I used elements of mise-en-scène. This included the setting that is shown in the image on my website and poster. The way that I used consistent iconography was through the red book. This was crucial to the narrative of my product and was shown when producing my trailer, website and poster. As it was used in all my 3 products, it showed that all my 3 products were combined consistently. Furthermore, my poster and webpage were also effective because I used the same fonts and colours on my poster and website pages. This was to create an effective house style. At the end of my trailer, I used a channel map effect that made my text at the end of the trailer fade in and fade out. This is a subtle and slick way of showing my cast, release date, title of my film, and taglines without the public being distracted. In addition to this, a key element that I thought was effective in my poster and web page was the use of a long shot in my main image. This was to show the setting, costume and iconography that were used in my trailer. Furthermore, I also used a long shot on my website and poster because I analysed my questionnaire results, and this showed me that the public that I asked were in favour of using this type of shot. Whilst in my trailer I chose to use quick handheld shots to create a sequel near the end of my trailer. This seemed to be effective, judging from some of my question 3 feedback. When talking about narrative, it is clear that from my question 3 feedback that my narrative is clear throughout. This is through the use of the red book in my poster and website, which also indicates to the target audience that the book will also play a part in the trailer as well. In terms of logos and partnerships, I use social networking logos such as Facebook on my poster and also on my website. One of the reasons why I displayed social networking logos onto my webpage and poster was because it would raise more awareness about my film. I chose to display a Facebook logo on my poster and website because if one of my friends on Facebook liked the Blair Witch Project page, friends would be able to see it and would ultimately become aware of the film. I used the logo on both these products, but not in my trailer because I've analysed lots of trailers for my textual analysis, and no social networking sites such as Twitter or Facebook were displayed. A further point that can be made is about the release date and the cast that are shown in all 3 products. When I conducted my questionnaire, the public responded by stating that they wanted to see the cast involved in the film, and also the release date to be shown as well. I showed this in all my 3 products. This showed the consistency in my work. When talking about representation, the main character on my poster is shown as vulnerable. Just from analysing horror films, women are the ones that are normally stereotyped as the vulnerable gender in films. I chose not to follow this convention and instead chose to use a male character on the front cover of my poster and website. This shows that I challenged the convention. However, there were ways that my product wasn't effective. One reason is that I didn't use as many locations as I wanted to in the making of my trailer. This is shown through my Empire Film Forum feedback. Although I used lots of rooms inside my house, I maybe should have filmed in some outside locations, something I'll definitely bear in mind next time.